Shall we get started?
Okay then. All right. So the first group that we're going to talk about, so we're going to do the county court judges first. And the first group has, I believe, oh, this is alphabetical. Nope, I got the wrong, sorry. I had already prepared myself and then I messed myself up, right? Isn't that how it goes? Like you're prepared and then you're not prepared? Okay, so the first group we're going to deal with is county court judges, and they're running in group 22. So the two judges in that group is Allison Gilman, and I believe Casey Mills is the opponent. What do you want to talk about them first, or do you want to say who it is that you would choose in that particular group?
I went with the person that the Sun Sentinel chose, which is Allison Gilman.
Yeah.
And, you know, I don't. First of all, with all of these choices, I don't think I have anything bad to say about any one of the candidates. So I don't know Mr. Mills. I have nothing good or bad to say about Mr. Mills. I do know Allison Gilman. I have seen her in the courtroom. I have seen the way that she's presents herself. She's always very professional in her approach to representing her clients, in her approach to the court, and her approach to other attorneys. And that's the reason why I chose her. That's the reason why she was my choice for the judge in that particular seat.
Right, and again, with that full disclosure, we say that she was part of the Broward County Public Defender's Office, that she did work there. And in terms of her experience, she has like 85% criminal experience in terms of litigation. So it's 85% criminal, and she did 15% civil cases. And she has about 200 verdicts under her belt. That's her experience. And she's been a member of the Broward Bar since 1992. So she does have extensive experience in the criminal justice system. She came out of the public defender's office, and you know she has a lot of community service experience. She worked with trial lawyers, the National Association of Trial Lawyers, Association of Women Trial Lawyers. She also said that she's part of Broward County Humane Society, and she also has an award for being Public Defender of the Year. So we know that she's good with advocacy. So those are some of the things about Allison. A little bit about Casey Mills, in case somebody wants to know about him. He has been a member of the bar for 36 years, and he had mainly a civil practice. So he's done like 95% civil cases, 5% criminal cases. He spent a lot of time. He doesn't really have any experience, trial experience, the verdict, but he has done some probate cases in family court, but I think mainly that's what his practice was. And he spent a year doing traffic court as a magistrate. Would you add something?
Yeah, it says there that he was an arbitrator for the National Association of Security Dealers. And as you've mentioned before, he was a traffic court magistrate in Broward County for about 1.5 years.
1.5 years, yes. And his community service, he's active in his church. He says the Rotary Club. He's done some Little League, and then he's part of the Florida Bar and the Broward County Bar Association. So those are that's the information that he provided. There's some other things, but again, you know, we don't make any negative comments about any judges. But from that group, I would agree with Jara that Allison Gilman seems to be the most qualified for this particular position. And I also have some full disclosure on my part. I was also a public defender, but not in Broward County. I was a public defender in Sarasota, Florida. So I do have I'm more defense-minded but I wasn't a defense attorney for a public defender for a very long time. But I did, when I got out of law school, I did work in the public defender's office in Sarasota. So I may be a little more defense-minded than I am prosecutorial. Yeah. All right. So group 22. We're supporting Allison Gilman, right?